Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kubleye phi baro kini gilong ki khubor bam takasni. Myntri katna tourism uba polingdo uyathu kamdan ke jing shepting ye ki pat ba wada ka sorkar kala weng ye ke jing khanglenti na themyo shabi mola lingba ke jakasa joki harijan. Habe yekran shakilat pathai khubor hadien balawai ke jing yalang kinhun Myntri menha ka santrik unaiwe. Ka Deputy Commissioner East Castle District kakong RM Kurba kabla deb hukum menha ka live huturik urisau bala pelat biang ye ka surok Them Metor banyat patba menha ka sauturik unaiwe. Na kaliang uba polling do open snow ha kani kamat ban pli na katiga jaka la yo I ka jing shisha bagadan ka jing penslem re ka sorkar ka nang bishar nya ha ka wei kaliang kalong ka kindon na ka benta ka jing pen bha ngin sale ya ki jing don kam. Ban ong baki pat ba ki pen pau ya ka jing sngo tiang ba ka rai jong ka sorkar kan pli biang ya ka te ka linti ban pelat na ka dhengkali. Shushu ka sorkar ka basyem ya ka rai ban pin kriya jakano ya ki harijan ka day dagaway kamat. Bade ka jaka sa jongki ka sorkar kalatip halor kani ngin sa perkhat ya ka rai ka batrekam ha ka bayadai ba ka jing khaknya kali ya thu uba apol. Uben rap ru ki e kimlong ha ka rukam kata ka jaka ka dei ka jaka badan jing e. Kadai menta bala weng no ya kata kadur da ka bapelong ti kena ya ka jing nek jingwan jeng ki briu ba ki nong nek nongwan bat ki kali ha kata ka jaka kan pensuk ya ki pata.
Traffic congestion, the general inconvenience being caused to members of the general public for the past 6 years. I don't see any link between that and the resolution of the current imbroglio vis-a-vis the relocation of the sweepers. In fact, the signal being sent, for the past 6 years, is that uh, things are not in order. That area is a trouble zone. But today we have removed that image by normalizing movement of people and pedestrians and vehicles in that area. So I think it's a very important positive step taken towards decongesting the entire city. Uh, you know the traffic scenario as it is today, and it is not at all linked. We have the state government has reiterated time and again that it would resolve this matter, and we are committed to that. The reopening of Them Maulong has nothing to do with the resolution of the